Well, this is a picture from a doctor in Orlando. It is shocking people all across the world after it popped up on the internet. He wrote, "On these shoes, soaked between its fibers, is the blood of 54 innocent human beings. I don't know which were straight, which were gay, which were black, or which were Hispanic. What I do know is that they came to us in wave upon wave of suffering, screaming, and death." Now, if anyone understands the emotions in Florida, it's some of the doctors and nurses right here in Colorado. And Denver 7's Mark Stewart is here with one story from the ER.
Knowing that what they're doing right now, which is an immediate response.
The horror in Orlando is sadly familiar to Dr. Christopher Colwell.
You kind of forget about everything else and concentrate on what you have to do, which is take care of patients.
He was one of the first on the scene at Columbine and worked overnight treating patients wounded in the Aurora theater shooting.
There's no way you can completely and adequately prepare for an event like this. You can't. And so you feel inadequate.
That's why he's been on the phone, offering support to the emergency responders in Florida.
The providers at the scene, the providers at the emergency department, the providers in the operating room. Remember those folks, follow up with them, and be sure that they are having their needs met.
He knows they too may need mental health treatment, along with the people inside the nightclub.
Oh my God.
Reminding them not to ignore their own emotions in the days, weeks, and months after the shooting.
The response is dramatic, and it is very real. And if we don't recognize it, we can't always prevent things from happening and providers from really struggling with this, but we can certainly help them get through that process.
Through tragedy comes teaching. In the years after Columbine and Aurora, Dr. Colwell has talked to other doctors and nurses from across the country about the lessons learned, helping them find the best ways to respond to a mass casualty case in their own cities. The medical teams in Orlando will certainly do the same.